To take out factory head unit on Toyota Tundra, you could use two plastic trim removal tools, such as this flat and pointy one, to be able to wedge it in between the trim panels. And the second one could be a little bigger for prying off the panels. And for the reference, here are the locations of the 7 clips holding down this bottom piece. You can use bubble wrap to protect the panels from scratching. Next, we're going to detach the climate control unit. I'm going to keep it connected because otherwise it's going to trigger the airbag light on the dashboard. Next, we're going to need to take out these two 10mm bolts. There are going to be 2 more 10mm bolts a little bit deeper inside there. Those could be a little challenging, so make sure you do not drop them inside. Use very long socket extension, and you can use some double-sided adhesive tape inside of the socket to prevent those bolts from falling out. Now you're going to be able to pull out the head unit itself. Next, unplug the wiring harnesses in the back. Keep in mind some of them don't need to be unplugged because they interconnect different modules within the head unit itself. I hope this was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. If you're interested, also check out my other video where I'm installing the new head unit. Thanks, have a nice day.